Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, make sure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, thermal paste, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Start by powering off your HP 15-0031NS and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if applicable, ensuring safety during the process. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back cover. Place the screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Once the back cover is removed, locate the heat sink and fan assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust buildup in the fan and vents, as this can also affect performance. A clean internal environment is crucial for optimal cooling. Now, carefully detach the heatsink from the CPU. You may encounter some thermal paste residue here. Using the microfiber cloth, gently wipe off the old thermal paste from both the CPU and the heatsink. Be cautious not to scratch the surface. After cleaning, it's time to apply the new thermal paste. A small pea-sized amount in the center of the CPU is sufficient. When the heatsink is reattached, it will spread the thermal paste evenly. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Reattach the heatsink, ensuring all screws are tightened properly to prevent any air gaps. Then, reconnect the fan if it was detached. It's crucial to ensure every connector is seated correctly to avoid any issues when powering on the laptop. Before placing the back cover, double-check that there are no loose screws or components. If you're not comfortable with the assembly, we can help. We offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a quick and convenient service. Once everything is in place, replace the back cover and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure that the cover fits snugly and there are no gaps. Finally, reconnect the battery and power on your HP 15-0031NS. Monitor the temperatures using software to ensure that the new thermal paste is functioning as intended. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide quotes before repair, making it easy to understand the costs involved. With proper maintenance, your laptop should run cooler and perform better. This simple task of changing the thermal paste can significantly extend the life of your device, ensuring it runs efficiently for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.